Yeah. Houston Salvadoran, man. Hold up. You always on my mind, 24/7, thinking about you all the time. Claiming the whole world that you always gon' be mine, but you keep on backing up, cause I'm a waste of your time. Damn, why it had to be like that? I'm tryna hold you close, but you wanna step back. I called 100 times, but you don't wanna call back. And I send 100 texts, but you don't even text back. I can't even sleep at all, staring at the phone, baby, wishing you would call. Remember all the times when we would walk around the mall, and remember all the times when I would pin you to the wall. Then I see you smile, grabbing your both hands, and we would kiss for a while. 24/7, and my mind just went a mile, thinking about what happened to it, rolling like the now.
Confused, I don't understand. Thought I was the one, now I'm not your man. You're not the same anymore. Don't know what's going on. You walk out the door, you left me confused. I don't understand. Thought I was the one, now I'm not your man. You're not the same anymore. Don't know what's going on. You walk out the door.
Scrolling through the pictures, looking back at the memories. How did all this happen? Wonder why did you set me free? How can we just fall apart? I don't wanna be free. Thought this was a promise, but now I really see. I thought it was forever, but we had to fall. For one stupid mistake, had to ruin it all. Now I'm alone with this tall black wall, but I'm here, baby girl, so I'm waiting for your call. I gotta be next to you, I gotta be here with you. I can't live without you, I really need you. Yes baby, I love you, yes baby, I miss you. I can't live without you. If you go away, then I'll forever be in pain. If you find another, I will go insane. Just please baby girl, let me clean this thing. Just please baby girl, do not go away.
I don't understand. Thought I was the one, now I'm not your man. You're not the same anymore. Don't know what's going on. You walk out the door, you left me confused. I don't understand. Thought I was the one, now I'm not your man. You're not the same anymore. Don't know what's going on. You walk out the door.
Every moment that we spent, every moment that's been less. Those nights that I had came and left. Happiness left me depressed. How could I be so damn obsessed? I'm trying to get this off my chest. I'm trying to breathe, no oxygen. Those nights I skated home all alone in the cold was the happiest I've been. Now I'm just another friend, and I've been hating ever since. And I hate to admit that I miss you, and I miss those nights I would kiss you, and I miss that couch, and I miss those nights, and I love the fact there was never fights. Every time we talk, fucking felt so right. Yeah, we never fuck, but you drove me insane. Shit flash back when I hear your name. When I hear your name, you just feel so lame. And even if I made, I'ma love you same. Yeah, you came and left with a fucking shame. Every day I blame myself. I blame myself. Yeah.